Hey guys, this is a quick how-to video. I accidentally minimized my whole website yesterday, my whole web page, and I couldn't figure out what happened. This kind of explains to you how to fix it if it happens to you. I'll show you what happened and how to fix it. Hang on. Hey guys, I got a little how-to thing here. Yesterday, this happened. I'll show you. My screen got little teeny tiny like this one just did. See how everything's so small? And if I go to a video, everything's really tiny. And if there's a live chat over here during my premiere, everything gets really small and I can't read it. Well, I was freaking out. I rebooted my computer. I thought maybe it was the internet or something, but it wasn't. And I'll tell you how to fix this if it ever happens to you. If your screen ever goes a little tiny like this, here's what you got to do. You go to let's see. You have to be using a computer. You hold your finger down on the control key, and if you're using a mouse, which everybody does, if you have a wheel on it, move your wheel back and forth to resize your screen. I did not know you could do that, but it works. You get it to just the right size that you want it. You can make it super big, or you can make it super small. Just roll that wheel back and forth, let go of it when you're where you want to be, which is right about there. And that's how you do it, folks. Simple, huh? Yeah, I restarted my computer twice to try to fix that, and I finally found a YouTube video explaining the simplest way to do it. You don't have to change your font size, you don't have to change anything, don't change your display. It's just a control button, hold it down, and the mouse wheel. Go forward makes it bigger, go backward makes it smaller. That's all you got to do. Sweet, huh? Anyway, that's the update. Hope you enjoyed. Well, that's my short how-to. I felt like an idiot when I saw that. Anyway, yeah, you don't move your mouse. You move the wheel on your mouse back and forth. Forward makes it go larger, and if you turn it back towards yourself, it'll get smaller. So hopefully that helped somebody out there. I know it took me about a half an hour to get all this thing straightened out. Y'all have a great day now.